Can you day trade crypto on Coinbase? Did you know that Coinbase Global, the largest US-based crypto trading platform, recorded $185 billion in trading volume in the last quarter? Additionally, Coinbase shares have surged over 30% since Donald Trump's election win in early November 2024, reflecting optimism about a potentially favorable regulatory environment for cryptocurrency exchanges. Day trading, defined as buying and selling a financial instrument within a single trading day, is a strategy some traders employ to capitalize on short-term market movements. When it comes to Coinbase, the platform offers features that facilitate active trading, such as Advanced Trade, which provides over 550 spot pairs and advanced charting tools powered by TradingView. This setup allows traders to execute trades swiftly and analyze market trends effectively. However, it's important to note that while Coinbase enables frequent trading, it has policies that may impact day trading activities. For instance, Coinbase has implemented trading limits to minimize market manipulation and ensure regulatory compliance. These include position limits, daily trading limits, and batching limits, which can affect a trader's ability to execute multiple trades within a single day. Moreover, Coinbase prohibits high-frequency trading, which involves using computer algorithms to rapidly buy and sell securities in a matter of seconds or milliseconds. One advantage of using Coinbase for active trading is its robust security measures. As the largest publicly traded crypto exchange, Coinbase prudently manages assets with state-of-the-art encryption and security programs, ensuring that customer assets are held 1:1 and are never lent without consent. Additionally, the platform offers low, volume-based fees on spot pairs, with maker fees as low as 0%, which can be beneficial for traders looking to minimize costs. On the downside, the restrictions imposed by Coinbase, such as trading limits and the prohibition of high-frequency trading, can be a significant drawback for day traders who rely on executing numerous trades within short time frames. Furthermore, while Coinbase provides advanced trading tools, the platform may not offer the same level of flexibility and features as other exchanges specifically tailored for day trading. In conclusion, while Coinbase offers functionalities that can support active trading, including day trading, traders must be mindful of the platform's policies and limitations. The trading limits and restrictions on high-frequency trading may pose challenges for those looking to engage in day trading. Therefore, it's crucial for traders to thoroughly understand Coinbase terms of service and consider whether the platform aligns with their trading strategies and objectives.